Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is nagpo-form siya ng hammer. And below average yung volume. Good news is wala pa ring selling pressure yung market. And currently, nasa pullback pa rin siya ng symmetrical triangle natin. Still respected. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So kung makikita natin, nag-breakout nga dito and currently nagpo-pullback. Meron pa rin tayong mga higher lows, hindi pa rin invalidated yung uptrend natin. Silipin natin yung nangyayari sa lower time frame which is 1 hour. Kung makikita natin, na-break niya na yung trend line resistance natin and currently gumagawa na siya possible ng bagong direction. Meron na tayong low and first higher low. So what happened is if gagawa si BTC ng another higher high dito and then magpo-pullback, possible continuation lang ulit to ng uptrend and still crucial pa rin yung this area to break for possible invalidation ng uptrend natin and always wait pa rin ng volume for higher probability trade.